Hello my old and my new subscribers, you are welcome. So today I'm going to be making fun that is a requested video from my friends and subscribers. Okay, this is the cake I make for my daughter, so I want to make the fun that I decide to make a video for it. I have a video before, but they want different version of the fondant. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you simple and easy to make this fondant. This is the birthday going on. This is gelatin. Okay, gelatin is for cake, to make fondant. Okay, is to make fondant. You add water to it. Is gelatin. You can see it in any shop. Just go to shop and say gelatin. Okay, it's very good to make fondant, and it will make the fondant strong and stretchy. It's so good. You just put it water this way and keep on mixing it. If you don't want to do this, put it in a plate and put it inside the hot water and be turning it. This is lemon. I add lemon to it, and I'm going to be adding sugar to it too. So you can go to any supermarket closer to you and just say gelatin is the best to make fondant. Okay, not that the one I did before, and you can use white egg, and you can use other meats too. You can go to that video and see, but this is sugar I'm adding to it. But gelatin is the best that you know, and everybody know that is good. You keep the gelatin in this cup, and I want it to cool down a little bit. If you are very hurry, just keep it in the freeze, let it cool. And this is the Hyzin sugar, 500 grams. You just turn it this way. This plate is a little bit small. I'm going to be taking another bowl and turn it inside. So I turn it inside of it. So the gelatin has been in the fridge, so I'm bringing it out right now. You just turn it inside. Okay, it's going to make it stretchy, and it's so good to make fondant. Just simple ingredients you need, just your icing sugar and your gelatin. You are good to go. You are good to go. Simple as ABCD. You don't need anything at all. You can see gelatin in any shop closer to you, the Indian shop, the supermarket, anywhere at all. You can see gelatin. Okay, if you don't know where to get gelatin, you don't know what is gelatin, just google the name in the place you are living. You are going to see it. Okay, this video is a requested video, as I said before, and I know a lot of you request for a lot of things, and I'm going to be doing them one after the other. You know, sometimes when you want to do some things, I just want to do my father's business too. So I'm going to be doing it gradually. Those that want to bring a style for me to sew, I will do that. Okay, for now my machine have just a little bit of problem. I'm going to fix it up. So this way I put icing sugar on the floor and start. You have to clean there. You see the way I clean it. You start just molding the dough. That is just it. We are done. That is it. Just simple as ABCD. We are done. This is the white, and this white you cannot cut it and separate and start doing each color you want. Maybe you want red, you want green, you start doing. You see the way it's stretching because of the gelatin. It's so good. You can keep it for 4 months, 6 months in the fridge. You can keep it for 3 months in the freezer, not in the fridge, in the freezer. When you want to use it, it's just for you to bring it out and warm it a little bit in the microwave. You remold it a little bit again. You are done. You are good to go. Just warm it a little bit in the microwave and keep on rolling it. Just that. You see, with this way I just roll it, I can keep it in the fridge for 4 months. But I'm using it 3 days later. I'm going to bring it out to start using. That is it. You keep it in the freezer, it's not going to spoil. Okay, you don't need anything to just guide it. So I cut a little bit of white away from it. So I take a little bit of blue color and more red because I'm looking for pink. I want to get pink because my daughter wants pink and green for this cake. Okay, so you can decide not to add blue to it. With a little bit of red can give you pink you want, but it's better to add a little bit of blue, or if you have pink around you, it's better to use. Okay, so adding more red will make it to be pink with a little bit of blue. Okay, so if you want it to be red, you put more. And when you are adding the colored, you know that the colored is liquid and it can make the funda to be more softer. So don't be afraid, just sprinkle the icing sugar down there and keep on molding it. Is going to be the way it is. Okay, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, this one is not difficult. This one is not difficult. It's so simple. You see the pink is coming up. I have to add a little bit of red. You are the one that is doing it. You are the one that is manipulating it. If you see the color you are adding to it is not coming out to that color you want, keep on adding it to it. And if you see that it's going softer, don't be afraid, just sprinkle icing sugar down there and keep on molding it. It will not stick. Okay, the gelatin that is there will not make it stick. Okay, so that is it, guys. It's so simple as ABCD. It's so simple as ABCD. You can do any color you want. You can even start doing it and be making money for yourself. Who knows? Who knows? I know you guys send a lot of video to me. Sorry, I'm going to do it gradually. You know, in this channel we do a lot of things. So this is it, guys. I can keep it in the freezer this way. This is the white we cut away. So I'm going to be using this white to make the green. Are you getting the vibe? So I'm going to be using this white to make the green. So simple, guys. So you mold and you mold this way. If you feel that it's sticking, you just put the icing sugar down and keep on molding. Keep on rolling it. Roll it. Just roll it. Roll it. Keep on rolling till you get your satisfaction color. Keep on rolling. Do you see the green? It's pumpy. This is the color I want. This is the green I want. Okay, if you want it to be more green, you add more color to it. Just simple as ABCD. So guys, people write to me, they want this funda in another way. This is what I'm doing. This gelatin is more simple. Okay, so any other thing you want, just put it down below. This is the butter for the cake I'm making. I just do it fast because nobody asked for this. Okay, I know I'm going to be making video of this butter. The other one people asked for, I'm going to be doing it, but not now. Maybe next week or so I will be doing it. You just roll it this way and take your measurement on top of the cake before you take it on the funda this way. That is it. So simple as ABCD. You know, before I start doing this funda, I put something like on the floor that I will use to turn it. You can put a just any white paper you have and just put it. You see, I turn it and place it on top of the cake. That is it. You keep on rolling it if you have your roller. And if the cake is not sticking to you use the gelatin liquid and use it to gum it. It's going to gum. Okay, so that is it. This is the green. I cut my design. You can cut any design of your choice. You are the one that know the way you want to design your cake. Any way you want to design your cake, you are good to go. Depends on the way you want to design your cake, you cut your design that way. So you see, I'm going to be putting this design down. You just take it and roll it as if you are braiding somebody's hair. You can choose your own design, okay? Just put it on your hair and be creative, or look for a style and try it out if you can do it. Okay, you can do anything through Christ that strengtheneth you. There is nothing you cannot do. As far we are in this life, God says He has given us that strength to do exceedingly abundantly above all we can think or imagine. God bless you all. Subscribe. Subscription is free. Share. Press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. I can't stop loving you. I love you all. God bless you.